Growing up with two deaf parents who use American Sign Language, or ASL, has shaped me both personally and professionally. Through my involvement in the deaf community, I've seen how misconceptions about deafness and sign language create barriers for deaf people and limit their opportunities. When I went to college, I didn't even know that people could study how children learn language, and I certainly didn't think that people studied how people learn sign languages. Yes, there is more than one sign language. I was very fortunate to be a student at MIT, where I began learning about language acquisition from a variety of perspectives: psychological, linguistic, developmental, and neural. In my lab at UConn now, I study a new sign language that emerged from the deaf community in Nicaragua, which is only about 40 years old. This is really young for a language. Through that work, I discovered that deaf people who don't have access to a language community have difficulty counting and representing quantities. That led me to a new project here in the United States that looks at the impact of variable language experiences on the development of number concepts in deaf, hard of hearing, and hearing children. We know quite a bit about how children learning a spoken language learn about numbers and counting, but there's almost no research on how deaf children do this, whether they're learning a sign language or a spoken language. We hope to add to this knowledge and also help improve education and outcomes for deaf children.